Regarding the Australian student visa, very useful information I am sharing that if you are going to Australia as a student visa, you must consider these all points, and currently the visas are being refused. If you will listen my clip, your visa, student visa will not refuse. Please, agents are admitting you in private colleges, and first of all I will tell you that if you have passed your qualification in 2023, means you have no gap, you have a maximum chance of visa currently. Otherwise, with the gaps, it's becoming very difficult, because universities admission, A class universities admissions, in which GTE, genuine temporary entrance law, is applicable, you have chance of visa. But universities are not giving COE these days. Their GTE criteria is becoming very difficult, because in gaps they are not allowing you to get the admission, and you have to prove by genuine experience and by very authentic experience. And the agents, what the option of consultants and the agents now currently have, they are admitting students in private college. In private colleges, visa ratio is very less currently. In private college, you can get visa ratio only when you will clear your gap, and if you have passed in 2023. So what the Australian immigration changes now currently, the student visa for without gap in the university, within 10 days you are getting visas, and visas are very easy. But if you are going for GTE university, and if you have any gaps, you are feeling difficulties. Therefore, the consultants are not admitting you in the universities. Why consultants are not admitting you in the universities? Because GTE requirements are very tight. They need no gap. So a lot of students apply for 2021, 2022. The students who have gaps in their education, I will suggest you must complete your education. Without gap, you will go for Australian student visa, you will get visas. But with the gap, you need to prove. In the past, there was a chance, there were many chances, and many students were getting visas, and they were occupying their gap by any experience, by any type of. Now currently, if you have very genuine experience, verifiable, then you will get your COE from the university. A class universities, the G8 universities, if you will get COE from them, you will be able to get Australian student visa. But unfortunately, these universities are admission criteria is so much tight these days, and a very less number of the students are being given COE without gap. So these are informations, the two suggestion I have given you. The Australian student visa, go without gap. If you have gap, go with Australian university A class, G8 university, and cover your gap with genuine and verifiable experience. Then you will be able to get Australian student visa. In private colleges, the visa ratio in these days very less. These are information for upcoming Australian student visa. Thank you very much.